For more custom knitting, please visit my Etsy shop, TLK Knitting. The link will be down below. And for more live streaming, you can follow me on twitch.tv/TLK Knitting. And I stream Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And I do stream knitting live. And I also do some gaming. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to create our knot. For the Norwegian Cast on. Okay. So for the Norwegian Cast on, you're going to use your thumb and your index finger. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to go under, into the loop, put your thumb down, under, over, and then you're going to create your stitch like that. Okay. Here we go again. You're going to go under, you're going to go through, put your thumb down, you're going to go under there, you're going to go in like that. Okay. Let's do it again. So Norwegian Cast on. You're going to go under the inside, put your thumb down around that side, and then you're going to go back in. Okay. Keep doing that. Around, in, thumb down, and then you go around. Okay. So, thumb down and in. Okay. Around, down, around, down, thumb down. Okay. Around, down. Okay. Around, down.